And we just got greetings from Spain and Australia, so thanks for listening. And there's something you have in common, because you maybe know the oat milk from Oatly or from anybody else, but at least you will know this carton box, because this is something made by the company Tetra Pak. And Oatly, as the milk producer, has the same heritage because they come from Sweden, from Lund. Now, to the trade show is Roberto. Good morning.
Good morning, Roland.
I'm really happy that you're here. Now, you represent Tetra Pak. I think we should start with some basic facts and figures. What is Tetra Pak?
Tetra Pak is a world-leading food company, in particular in the processing and the packaging solution. Our commitment is to provide safe food available everywhere. Consider that we are present in over 160 countries, and last year, in 2023, we have sold 179 billion of packages.
Billion?
Yeah.
So everybody basically knows a Tetra Pak package, right?
Yep, yep.
Okay, now what is the reason for this success? Because I think Tetra Pak is a name for the beverage box. So where is this founded?
There are several points.
Yeah.
I can try to summarize. For
Okay.
sure, the heritage. Consider that in 1951, we have introduced the tetraedron-shaped carton that gives us the name our company.
Or like the little pyramid kind of carton for milk,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Yeah. Mhm.
And was for the time a very efficient package. Then our advanced manufacturing capabilities, our presence in over 160 countries. For example, in 1961, we have revolutionized the market, introducing the first aseptic filling machine. This process, in combination with the aseptic packaging, give the possibility to provide safe food, nutritious, and available everywhere over months, without the need to add preservatives or refrigeration of the product.
Oh, so you can really pack the pure product.
Yep, yep.
Now, founded in Sweden, now based in Switzerland, you obviously come out of Italy.
Yeah.
So what is your role into Tetra Pak, Roberto?
I'm working for the development and technology team, in particular in the automation and digital for the packaging.
Okay, that means you're not only selling the beverage box, you also build machines. So what kind of machines do you build?
We provide several machines, for sure filling machine, but not only. For example, downstream equipment like conveyors, accumulators, cup applicator. For example, in your newspaper, PC Control,
yes, in our
you
magazine.
can see the cup applicator 40.
Yeah.
But also we provide integrated solution. For example, our line controller is a sort of brain for manage the packaging over the line.
I think we can say you're not only a global leader for the beverage carton, but you're also a global leader for packaging machinery.
Yeah.
Now, we will take a look into a particular machine. You just said the cup applicator.
Yeah.
This is amazing, Roberto, because you have a machine which applies 40,000 caps
Yep.
per hour.
Yeah.
This means 10 per second.
Absolutely.
So we will take a look into this application. You can share what kind of backup components are used to realize that.
With the cup applicator 40 speed hyper, with the help of the back of XTS technology, we was able to have a closed control loop of the application every cup. Consider that every cart of the machine have the possibility to adjust the movement in a vertical and horizontal way in order to have the perfect match of the cap in the incoming package.
Okay. I remember that you told me you're already using the new Trinket build 4026. Any particular reason using that?
The new Trinket for 26 with Visual Studio 2022 at 64-bit unleash the power that we need for our large complex software. And then I want to highlight the Package Manager. Package Manager open a lot of possibility in terms of continuous integration and software deployment.
Okay, perfect. Now I know you have a wide interest in different products, so I invited my colleague Alexander.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Roland.
Alex, you're part of our global key account team and you support Tetra Pak around the globe. I know you had a chance already yesterday to show Roberto around. So what highlights have you shown him yesterday?
Yes. So Tetra Pak is using the advantage of Beckhoff as a component supplier to use the system approach. So we had a round trip in any kind of product segment, in the I/O, in the motion, TwinCAT, and IPC. Specifically, we were talking about the new news this year, the economy drive system, AX and AF1000.
Okay.
The MX system is familiar to Tetra Pak, but nevertheless still a highlight. And of course, the new PLC++.
Okay. Have you had a chance to show you the new Ecoline XTS module?
No, but it's in my radar for today.
Okay, so good that we still have you here. So Alexander, you got a job to do with Roberto. Thanks for being with us. Enjoy the day.